This is the trade review for Wednesday, the 14th of February, 2024. And today, on Nvidia, things were more calm than yesterday. So I was able to trade the same size, and I didn't have issues with slippage. Yesterday we closed bullish. It was a very scary hammer that we had on the daily. And yesterday, pre-market, and when we opened very low. So luckily we returned to value and into the range. And today we struggle a bit, but we managed to set value higher. Pre-market, we were respecting the R3 level. The pre-market high was within the top of the range. So I was looking for two options: one, reject R3 and go long, or simply play a traverse down. But the opportunity long didn't happen cleanly. We were having some sideways price action, which made me stay away, which is fine. And the market structure seemed to be a normal day or a neutral day. The initial balance didn't seem too wide, so for a second I thought that we were actually going to have a double distribution trend day, since the level 2 was and level 3 were incredibly bullish. Although we still had some stacks to the downside. So I guess for a short here, we still didn't have that clear of a signal, and for going long neither. I guess the entry could have been on this reaction after failing drop below yesterday's range, but no clear signals. And for a top, we didn't have one as well. Maybe at 741 could have been a really nice entry for a huge drop. I suppose this would be the only entry. Short. So once again, I need to look at extremes. Could have been a nice entry, but I hesitate. And then once we have the drop, I actually think that this is a double distribution trend day, which is a wrong interpretation of the price action, since we had already dropped down below. So I need to be very careful to be precise with my with the categories of the market structure. I cannot make it up. I cannot change it just to fit the current day. Like a double distribution trend day is not this. This is a neutral day using the 5-minute candle. It's not a double distribution trend day. So the thing is that Nvidia is moving a lot, and it's kind of like throwing off the ranges that I'm used to trading, but that's no excuse. So I should have been a bit more careful. This is a neutral day, so I could have made an entry at the top of the range or at the bottom of the range, and my entry was in the middle of the range where we had a lot of overlapping price action. I made an entry actually here at value. So it's not the best of things. Price offer a reversal at yesterday's value, which it happened to the penny, or not to the penny, but within a reasonable amount of dollars. So for an entry long, I could have played a rejection of the gray area or a long from S1 and played traverse to the top side and add accordingly, understanding that on a neutral day we are gonna end up crossing the open price, but no, it didn't happen. So today I'm once again a bit disappointed. That I didn't follow my rules. I've got another day, another chance to make things right. And if I don't, then I'm gonna go back to build up my confidence. 8 emotions, 5. Community state 7, not an 8, but not too bad. I tried to understand what happened today. Had a good pre-market prep. Um, try to understand the market structure and respected my stop loss. Did not hit gold today. This is an okay hammer, but it's in the middle of the gray area and in the middle of the price action. It's not at the extreme, so that's not a good trade. And neither is the second one. It was done more out of desperation. I didn't have patience today, or have discipline to wait. I became frustrated due to yesterday's heavy loss, and ended up just trading out of fear or regret. Uh, this trade, I expected them to become reactions of the R3 level, but we did not execute. It was a good attempt at understanding the market structure, but not good enough. The market structure was a neutral day, and so it is what it is. Lost patience and invented setup, and same for this. At least a big improvement compared to yesterday is that I respected my stop loss. I didn't allow it to run too large off of me. So I have to be careful. I think tomorrow will be the cutoff if I have a losing day again. Uh, Not good trades. Which is disappointing. But I need to get back to doing the right things. It's tough to be in live, trading with real money, but have to get over it. I know my entries. It's just that fear puts me back into old habits. Um, but it's very simple to execute and to wait and to understand the market structure. It's just that uh, old habits come into play when I'm unstable. So that's it for the trend review. Respect the stop losses today, so it's a better day than yesterday. But still, the quality of trades I took were not good enough.